Hey guys, back again with another quick update to the Jeep. Today I'm installing a Journey Better banner on the back window. So out comes the RapidTac. First, we need to clean the area thoroughly. Next, we'll soak it down with some more RapidTac. Then, just peel back the label and try to get this lined up. Then firmly press the decal into place and try to keep it level. My rear spray nozzle was in the way, so I had to try a couple alterations. And it might have still been a little too close. Next, squeegee any air out from under the decal and press it firmly into place. Now we're ready to peel back the top layer and reveal our decal. Here's where that spray nozzle got really tricky and might have messed up the look just a little bit. After carefully pulling back the last piece, just squeegee out any air gaps. And there you have it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and journey better.